getting online, but people prefer to shop on the internet rather than shopping, going into stores or going into, wherever, driving and parking and all this other stuff, when you can just purchase online. So the trick is to get in between people's purchases and the stuff they're purchasing. If you can find a way to be in the middle between purchases that are already happening, you can make a lot of money online. So there's only a few things that you need to make money. And really, you just need an audience. You need an audience of people to reach on the internet. And you need a product that people will pay money for. That's all you need. And once you have an audience of people on the internet, and there's very easy ways to do this, and I'll talk about this more in a second here, but you can insert yourself in the middle and make massive amounts of money like I have online. And you don't need to be the person that owns the product. You don't need to be making client calls. You don't need to be, showing up at an office or managing people and all these sorts of old world ways of doing business. All you need to do is get in between stuff that people are already buying online and insert yourself in between the money flows that are already going through the internet, and you make a part of it. Now that's what I've been able to do. I've been able to make millions of dollars online, and before I explain my system for doing so, which is very simple, in a second, I think it's good to give you some context of kind of how I came into this industry. So I don't know how many people here have read the book, The 4-Hour Workweek. But I read this book back in 2009 called The 4-Hour Workweek. And it talks about how you can have location freedom and time freedom by starting an internet business. Okay? And as long as you can make money online, you can be anywhere you want in the world. And you can be anywhere you want in the world, and you can do it anytime you want, because the internet doesn't care when you work. And I said, this sounds great, because my passion in life has been traveling the world. I love traveling. I've been to over 50 countries once I started figuring this out. I didn't figure it out immediately though. It took me 4 years the 4-Hour Workweek took me, 4 years of just failure. And I've taken a million courses online trying to figure out what is an easy way to get started. I don't know any technical stuff. I don't know how to program. And that was a big problem at first, because I needed to find something where I could make money without having to program, without having to deal with clients or calls or showing up at an office somewhere managing employees. Because again, I knew what my goal was. My goal was freedom. My goal was the freedom to travel and do things on my own terms. And I knew to get that freedom, I had to learn how to make money online, to figure out how to use the internet, computers, and insert myself in the middle here, okay? This is where I needed to be. So, basically, the way my system works, the best way to make money online is what I call affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you can insert yourself in between what people are already looking for on traffic sources. People are using Google, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn. People are using all of these online portals every single day. They're using all of these places to find, and on these places, on these sites online, people are finding products to engage with, or people to engage with, or different things. This is how people find what they're looking for. Amazon, etc. Now, it's very easy to get in between them and their purchase and make tons of money purely by working from the internet. Now, I've prepared a free training for you. We're doing a free training this week on how to do this, on how to make money online and grow a massive business and make millions of dollars. My best year has been $3 million. So you can make massive amounts of money if you just learn how to do this. And what I'm going to show you in this training, I'm going to give you a live demonstration of exactly what I've done. I'm going to show you students of mine who have been able to make over 7 figures applying the method that I'm about to teach you. And you're also going to get access, to a free course. I'm going to give you a free course on how to do all of this, okay? So there should be a link somewhere for the free training, to sign up for the free training video right below or somewhere on this page. But basically, you'll get to see a live demonstration of how I make money online. And then you'll also get to see students of mine who've been very successful. And you're going to see everything it takes to implement this system so you can make money on the computer, getting in between online purchases people are already doing, and make money. And all of this without any clients, no annoying phone calls, without having to show up and work a job that pays you an hourly wage, and without having to have inventory or make expensive investments in things like stocks or real estate that are, or without gambling, which a lot of stock trading or cryptocurrency investments, one day they think they're hot, but they just get saturated and you can end up losing lots of money. So I'm going to show you basically just how to make money online and getting in between products that people are already buying and just getting a small commission or getting a chunk of that money for yourself. Now, what you can do, I'm also going to show you on this training how you can make big money, big commissions. So without even getting a customer, without even having people spend money, you can earn $1,000, $3,000, even $10,000 in a single commission without having to talk to anybody, without having to make any phone calls, without really even having to get people to pay money initially. So you can do all of that very simply. And I'm going to show you on this training how to do it. So years ago, I had a mentor that showed me this actually. After my 4 years of failure trying to learn how to make money online, what I finally ended up doing was I ended up sneaking into a mastermind group of marketers here in Hollywood, California. We're in Venice Beach, California right now, by the way. And I snuck into this mastermind, and where all the top marketers in the world were. They paid anywhere between $50,000 to $100,000 each to be a part of this group, but I snuck in. And I met one of the most prolific marketers in the industry who had made tens of millions of dollars without any employees, with total freedom, like what I'm talking about. Now, I'm not talking about creating a business with lots of employees here. I'm not talking about having high-paying clients and having to do sales and management calls. I'm not talking about having to be salesy and doing a network marketing company. I'm not talking about making, gambling in real estate or stock trading. I'm talking about purely online. And I asked him what I should do. And because I said, I'm in marketing, I'm struggling, what is your advice? And he gave me some simple advice every few weeks, and I'm gonna share a lot of that with you on this training that I'm hosting. So there should be a link somewhere around, maybe it's below this video, but basically you can click there and sign up for my free training on how to make money online and how I've been able to create multiple millionaires who have just applied this system in their own, and created their own online income. So I look forward to sharing that with you, and at the very end of the training, the free training, I'm actually going to give you access to an entirely free course on how to make money online as an affiliate marketer. Okay, you're going to get access to an entirely free course on how to do all of this, and I'm going to give you all of the tools that you need to learn how to make money online as an affiliate marketer, purely working from the internet. Again, no clients, no inventory, none of, no phone calls, no expensive stock trading or real estate stuff, just purely online. So I look forward to seeing you on the live training that we're hosting this week. And make sure that you attend and you stay all the way to the end to get access to your free course and the other bonuses that I'll be offering on this call.